What do you have there, Mochi? What did you find? Oh, is that a white flare pack? We are still in the Unova region apparently because English has arrived with that white flare. I can't believe Mochi found that. Let's get it. I want the Victini very bad. The Red Victini is the ultimate chase for me personally. Got the code card. The energy I'm thinking is fire for Victini, please. Okay, fighting. I'm fighting for Victini. Fancy it. Oshawott. Pat Rat. Wireless. Deep Striker. Archer. Ferrothorn. Watchman. Cotton. Ooh, and a Hydreigon EX. Let's go. Okay.